Okay, so first what we need to do is to place our paper on fold. Next, I'll be drawing a horizontal line at the bottom of my paper. And now I'll pick up my bodice and I'll measure what I have on the neckline. So I have 9.5. So on my paper, at the bottom of my paper, I will be marking 9.5. On this 9.5 mark, I'll be drawing a vertical line. On this vertical line, I will be marking 4.5 inches upwards. And then I'll be ruling a horizontal line across. I'll be ruling a horizontal line across. Now I'm going to find the midpoint of this line, and the midpoint of this line is 4.75. So I'll be marking 4.75 here. Now on this line, I'm going to come up by 1 inch. So I'll mark 1 inch here. Next, I'll use my curve. I use my curve to connect these 2 points. Next, on this side, I'll be coming up by 1.25 of an inch. So I'll mark 1.25 here. Next, I'll rule a horizontal line and I will stop midway. Now on this line, I'm going to be marking 1 inch. Next, I'll use my curve to connect it back to this line. Next, I'm using one of my curves to make a really nice shape at the edge here. Now on this part, I'll be coming up by 1 inch. I'm marking 1 inch here. From here, from the edge of this line, I'm measuring 1 inch inwards. So I'll mark 1 inch on this curve here. Now I'll be connecting this point to this edge. From here, I'll be measuring 1.75 upwards. From this point, I will measure 3 inches inward. Now I'll use a long ruler to connect these 2 points. And then I'll use a curve to connect it all the way to this point. So now I'm going to be marking out the parts we will need to cut out and the parts that are actually our collar and our collar stand.